Come to the topic profit, loss and discount. Profit, loss and discount, that is actually a real life problems. If I go somewhere like for a shopping and all, then we will see that a 50% discount is going on. Then if I buy something and then after some time if I want to sell it, then I have to gain some profit. So profit, loss, discount is everywhere in our real life. So we need to understand at a basic concept, basic level, that what is mean by that and how to calculate this at an instant. For that, I have taken up two condition. The condition is, suppose you have bought a t-shirt at rupees 300, a plain white t-shirt you have bought, and then you have drawn something on it, like flowers, like bike or nature, whatever you want, you have drawn it on it with the ink brush, and which costs you around rupees 50, the ink and brush and all. That means in total you have spent amount of rupees 350. In total you have spent rupees 350 in all over. So that means you have, and then you have sold the t-shirt at rupees 500. So that means you can see that that was the total expenditure, that means you have spent it, and that is at that amount you have sold. So there is a price gap in between them, right? So that means you have gained some extra money of 500 minus 350. That gap will be the profit of you, and it is called, the extra money is called your profit, right? So now come to the next condition. Suppose you went in a shop and there you have seen a smartwatch which is very attractive. Then you told your father that you want this smartwatch, and after some time your father bought it for you. It's a good father. So bought it for you at rupees 3000, and you are very happy at that time that you have got a new smartwatch. But after a few months, you are facing some issues on that, like a issue of showing time or display problem, that you are facing some problems, and nobody like any problem in life. So for that, you have decided to sell it. But since you have used the watch for a few months and it had some problems, you have managed to sold it at rupees 1200. That means you or your father have lost some money. What was the lost money? There is a price gap, price difference between the 1200 and at what price you have bought. That is 3000 your purchasing price, and 1200 you have sold it. So the price gap is 1800. That is your loss, because at some amount you have bought and at a lesser amount you are selling it. So difference is actually your loss. So that is, that 1800 money is called your loss. Now we will learn it what you have got in condition 1. You see, in condition 1 your total purchase price was 350. That will be called as cost price or symbolically CP. And you have sold it at 500. That is selling price or SP. When SP is greater than CP, a box is there, so it is very important. When SP is greater than CP, we make profit. What is profit? Profit equals to ST minus CP. Bigger one minus smaller one. Bigger is SP, so SP minus CP will be the profit. And how to calculate SP? It's very easy. You have got your CP, cost price, how much profit you need. You combine it, you will get your selling price. So selling price equal to CP plus profit. Now comes that what will be the profit percentage. Profit percentage means, percentage already we have done. Percentage means based on what you are calculating. The profit will be based on what? Based on the CP. At what price you have bought, then the profit you will calculate. So after purchasing a thing, then you will calculate your profit. Suppose you have purchased at rupees 1000, then you have decided that I need 300 rupees profit, right? Suppose you have purchased at rupees 100 and you have decided 50 rupees should be the profit. So based on the CP, you decide your profit. So I have told you to convert into profit percentage or to convert into percentage, we will consider the fraction at first. What fraction will be there? What we are calculating? Calculating profit, na? So profit is calculating, the profit will be in the numerator. In the denominator, profit will be calculated on which basis? Profit calculated on the base of CP, cost price. That will be in the denominator. Always in the denominator, the base price should be there. What is the base thing? Which basis you are calculating? So that's why profit percentage will be profit by CP. To convert into percentage, multiply by 100. That's it. Now come to the condition 2. In condition 2, CP was 3000, SP was 1200. So clearly SP is less than CP. SP is less than CP means we make loss. We make loss means loss equal to CP minus SP. Which one is greater? CP is greater. So CP minus SP is loss. And what is selling price? Selling price is very easy. At what price you have purchased and what is your loss amount? So from your cost price, subtract the loss, then you will get your CP, SP. So SP equal to CP minus loss. You see it, SP was CP plus profit when you are making profit, and SP equal to CP minus loss when you are making loss. The profit will be added to CP, loss will be subtracted to CP to get the SP. And what will be the loss percentage? Loss percentage means same thing. Profit is calculated on CP. Loss also will be there based on CP. So on the basis of CP, we calculate our loss. So CP will be in the denominator. Loss we are calculating, it is in the numerator. This is the fraction. Convert into percentage, multiply by 100. That will give you the loss percentage. How much percentage of loss you have made. Okay. Now let us do some practical problems based on that. What is given? Mr. Ajay bought a dining set for rupees 64,000 and sold it at a loss of 20%. What is the selling price? So we will go by normal concept. Mr. given 64,000 CP, loss percentage 20%. The loss will be calculated on CP, right? Now you think that to get the SP means key. SP means CP plus profit or CP minus loss. Here he has made the loss. So CP minus loss will be the SP. That is already there. SP equal to CP minus loss. What was CP? CP is 64,000. That is there. And loss so he has made. So when we are making a loss for discount, it should be subtracted. That's why loss equal to I have written 20% of 64,000. Why it is there? Or just I have said that loss percentage on the basis of CP, we calculate our loss. So when loss percentage will be there, that loss percentage will be applied on something though. That something will be CP only. So you always remember loss percentage or profit percentage, both we will apply on CP only. So that's why this 20% will be applied on CP. So CP is there, loss means 20% of CP. Then we will do the calculation. So after calculation, we will get 51,200. That is the selling price. CP was 64,000, selling price is 51,200. Next will be a profitable sum. That was a loss sum, it is a profitable sum. Question is that Mr. Abir bought a land at rupees how much? How many zeros? 5 zeros. So 12 lakh. Mr. Abir bought a land for 12 lakh. Sold it at a profit of 30%. What is the selling price? Same concept. When you are making a profit, selling price will be CP plus profit. So given CP is this, profit is this, SP will be CP plus profit. Profit how to calculate? Profit will be calculated on CP. So 30% will be on CP. So CP normally is 12 lakh. When you are finding the profit, profit is not given, profit percentage given, that will be applied on CP. 30% of CP After some calculation, we have got 1,15,60,000 something. That is your SP. So remember, both loss percentage and profit percentage will be applied on CP only. The loss per, and always when you are finding the SP, see that you are making loss or profit. So if it is profit, CP plus profit. If it is loss, CP minus loss. That's it.